Drawing stairs is an excellent way to practice perspective and learn the concept of depth and dimensions. Hey friends, welcome back. Today let's draw stairs in a 1-point, 2-point and 3-point perspective. I believe this is a fun exercise to do to practice your drawing and perspective skills. So, perspective drawing is a technique used to represent the three-dimensional objects on a two-dimensional surface, giving them depth and volume. It's actually what makes your drawing pop. I will link all the video I made before about perspective on the description. So here is a quick reminder. 1-point perspective is used when directly facing an object, 2-point when facing a corner, and 3-point is used when looking from a high or low angle view. Let's use the example of a box. In this case, I am directly facing this side of the box. The horizon line defines my eye level. Anything above the horizon is above my eye level, and anything below the horizon is below my eye level. Moving on to 2-point perspective, we have two vanishing points, and this time we are facing the corner of this box. The same rule applies about the horizon line. 3-point perspective adds a vertical dimension, making our stairs not only recede back but also up or down. We'll add a third vanishing point above or below the horizon line this time. So when drawing stairs, imagine each step as a box. We are actually drawing boxes over boxes. Here are some examples. This is a 1-point perspective and we are directly facing the steps in this one. After tracing the horizon and vanishing point, I am drawing a box for the first step, then a second box over the first, and this continues until you want it to stop. Another example of a 1-point perspective. This time we are facing this side and the steps are converging to the vanishing point. Using this technique, you can draw any complex stairs you would like to. In 2-point perspective, we are facing the corners of the steps. After tracing the horizon and vanishing points, I am drawing a box for the first step, then a second box over the first, then a third, etc. Same concept here again. And here again, you can try drawing all kinds of stairs from different styles and point of view. In 3-point perspective, we are looking at the stairs from a high or low angle, so there are 3 vanishing points. This is really similar to the 2-point perspective, but this time don't forget that all the vertical lines converge to the third vanishing point right there. If you want to get better at perspective, you need to practice. Practice these techniques with stairs and then apply them to other subjects to understand the concept of depth and create more and more complex drawings. Let me know what is the most difficult part of perspective according to you. In the meantime, you can check my other videos about perspective drawing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you!